Hey guys, I'm back with another video. How y'all doing? How you been? How your sister them, brother them, cousin them doing? What's going on, y'all? I got a quick what I ordered from Amazon all of last week. I got to kind of back up from Amazon. I use Amazon to try to step up away from buying so much makeup and finding things to help make these videos appear, you know, a little bit better quality. So anyway, I done got carried away with Amazon. Every week, the UPS man even was like, see you tomorrow. And I couldn't do nothing but laugh. That was insane, but true. But true. Okay, anyway, let me share with y'all some of the stuff that I got. First, we'll start with the stuff that I kind of purchased to help me get my videos kind of up to par. You know, something that even I wouldn't mind watching because the quality's good. Yeah. So the first thing I grabbed was this Snowball Ice mic. I cannot show you guys this mic right now, as this is the mic that I'm using. So if you guys can tell any difference, just let me know. It promises a cool sound. It says a custom condenser capsule offers crystal clear audio. Am I crystal clear, y'all? So we're gonna see. I just kind of hook it to my laptop and we'll see if it does anything. Sorry guys, if it does anything for my video quality, you know. If I'm gonna be here, I might as well make myself look good, right or wrong. Okay, and the next thing I ordered were these light bulbs. It's just A19 LED light bulbs. You know what? I think you get 6 in here. And these honestly were not, unless I'm doing the video in my makeup room. But these I just needed for throughout the house. Or if I'm, you know, shooting something down in the pool room. Or stay in the kitchen. Well, I can't use this in the kitchen. Okay, yeah. What I thought. I can put these in my beauty room like. I got 6 of them for like $9. And what really encouraged me to get these bulbs, y'all really, because you know, somebody's saying, girl, you could have went to Walmart. Yeah, but Walmart a little bit more expensive for these. And these light bulbs are supposed to have how long is the life? 3 years? Yeah, a period of 3 years. So they last for 3 years. I'm good. I'm putting these over my vanity and in the downstairs bathroom just to lighten them up. So yeah, I got 12 of those. Yeah, this was more of a household, I guess we could say. And then next thing I picked up was this Best For You dual omnidirectional lavalier mic. So since I'm playing around with doing these voiceovers, I don't want to sound like a little girl. I don't know why. I've been told so many times on the phone that my voice sounds younger than I am. Really? Well, thank you. Just imagine that I look like my damn voice. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is a Best For You lavalier mic. And let's see how it goes. I like this little case that it comes in. That's cool. Okay, that's how everything's packaged. And it's supposed to be able to work with your camera as well, but since I ordered that huge Snowball Ice mic, I probably won't use it on my camera, but I definitely will be using. Oh, you get a lot of cord. A lot of cord. I will be using it for doing voiceovers just to make the quality sound better and to drown out the fan, the air conditioner, all the little noises that's in the back. After reading the reviews, that's what it said, you know. Oh, it's even got a dead, you know they call those the dead rat. The little fluffy, the thing that feathers out. And then there's some batteries, a bigger jack, and another connector in there. So, and this was really inexpensive. So for me now, I'm just saying, if I'm going to be doing this, I don't want to be putting out those videos that I put out in '08 or '07. When was it I started? '08? Playing around on here? Oh, the tweezers, I guess, to put the batteries in with. I don't know. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of increase the quality. And if anybody's working on doing YouTube or getting started on YouTube, I'm just telling you some of the stuff that I try. And the next voiceover I do, you'll know that I use this little thing. Oh, camera or smartphone. Look at that. It has a little setting where you can put it on camera, up, bring it up, and it's on camera. Push it down, it's on smartphone. So I can't wait to use this. I cannot wait to use this. Maybe I'll use this afternoon while I'm editing a video. But yeah, this is the BoxyCharm Lavalier Mic. I'm just making sure I say the names just in case for some reason, which y'all know I'm lazy. I don't list everything unless you can look at the video and Google it and find it on Amazon. And then the last thing I got, because I lost mine, the one that came with my iPhone XS Max. I don't know where I lost it at, but it's just a little connector so that my phone can be charging while I got the little mic hooked up. So I don't want to start playing with this and run into difficulties. And this just says quality of life, a Lightning 3.5 mm for ISO 12 or later. So we'll see. Hopefully this works on my phone. I was not about to buy a new Apple one because they're expensive. Now on to just stuff that I have. Don't ask why I ordered this black opal True Radiance concealer. I just saw it on there and I was like, oh, a stick concealer. Let's see. And of course I got the wrong shade. Of course. This is in 410. That's what it looks like. And swatch it right there. That might work. Just saw a cheap concealer. I want to use it for carving out my brows. So, we'll see. So, that's neither here nor there. Me and concealers have not been getting along lately. And then I ordered these silicone tip brushes. And I'm going to tell y'all why I ordered these. The big ones, y'all know I mask all the time. So I can use the big ones for mask. And this really small one is the one I really wanted for those glittery eyeshadows that I can't pick up with a regular brush. And this was just a bonus. But Sephora sell these 2 for $12. I got all 4 of these, including the masking brushes, for $5.96. I'm just saying, Amazon is the place to go. We'll see. Okay, and then I ordered my favorites. These are cheaper on Amazon than Walmart. These are the best makeup wipes. Let me go grab the one that I have open. Now, as I was saying, these are the best makeup wipes. These are the twin refillable ones. These are daily facial, daily hydrating cleanse. All you do is wet these things, y'all, and you can wash off your whole face with them without even using a makeup. Like this can be your first cleanse. And in here is 2 packs. These things for 1 pack, see it says twin refill? Yeah, for 1 pack that comes in a container like this, it's like $5.64. I got 2, might as well sell these without the container for like $8. You can't beat that. And last time I ordered on Amazon, I got the single pack. How many's in here? 33 count. That's what comes in here. And I got 5 of these for $15. So it's way cheaper than at Walmart or at the drugstore. And I just keep reusing my 1 case that I saved. But this is how they look like. This one here, the sheet is just like this. This is this one. And this one is a deep purifying cleanse. It has the little micro beads on there. And you wet it and it just suds up. And y'all, I have not messed up any towels with makeup since getting these. So I try to keep these stocked up. But when you get them, they come in a little pack like this. And you just open them up, run water on them, and you can remove all of your makeup from the day with no problem. And this here has been on my list for a minute. What is this you say, Raquel? Guys, this is a huge and extremely huge, in my opinion, makeup bag. This to get organized, and I can use this makeup bag to store my makeup in. Say, I'm gonna start doing it for the month. All the makeup that I'll use for the month. It even has spaces for brushes and other stuff you can store here. It's kind of like a makeup suitcase. And I got this because it'll fit my big makeup case with wheels. Because it has this little thing here. It'll fit on the handle if I ever need it for traveling. But this is what the inside looks like. And yeah. So that's probably what I'll do tomorrow. A quick video, just filling it up with stuff that I'm going to be using for the whole month of June. And it's really, really sturdy. Brushes can go there. There's a zipper here. So I think this is cool. You can stick stuff in there. So it'll be awesome for traveling. But I think it has a strap that you can put it on your shoulder. So yeah, I think it's going to serve my purposes and more, which would be even for traveling or for putting my makeup in that I'm going to use for a month to keep me from digging out of stuff and having makeup like I have it now. Right now, to be honest with you guys, I have makeup in 2 different rooms. Just a little bit of stuff everywhere. In here, where I record it, and in my makeup room, it's just everywhere. So I figure if I pull out what I'm going to use for the month, and then that'll ensure that I use up a lot of stuff too, that this will work. So yeah, maybe I'll do a video tomorrow on filling it up with makeup that I plan to use for the month. Okay guys, and the very last thing I have to show you guys that's in this Amazon haul was actually sent to me for review, and I don't know. I haven't even opened it. This is a 2-in-1 MCH heating Ionic straightening brush. I don't know how it works, as I have not even, like I said, I haven't even opened it, but I was thinking if you guys want to see a review on it, you know what, I'll just do a review on it. That's what I do. This is what it looks like here on the side of the package. I know I have a curly wig that I could go ahead and straighten if I can get in this darn thing. As I was saying, I do know I have a unit that I can go ahead and straighten, or that we can pop on to straighten, just to see how well this brush works. Oh wow, I like the way it comes packaged. Yeah, we'll just do a review on this brush all by itself. That's what we'll do. I think it'll be cool. Okay, that's how it looks, and it has its own settings like a curling iron. And a pretty long cord. Okay, yeah, we'll review this product by itself in another video. Hopefully, one day this week before I go back to work again, and we'll see how it really works. Alright, that's it guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.